Hi everyone, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Today we have an awesome camping hack for you. If it's summertime in your area and you're getting ready to go to the lake or maybe go camping, this is going to be the perfect activity for you if you want to bring things along with you and not lose them. So for our camping hack today, we are going to be weaving utensils, just like we've done with our spoon. We've also left a little bit of a loop at the top to bring some paracord through so that we can tie it to our project today, which will be the fork. Now in our case, we have drilled a hole at the top of our fork. You might be able to just bend it at the top and weave the paracord through the bend. However, in our case, we're going to anchor our paracord to the hole at the top. For our fork color today, we do have 550 reflective paracord in neon orange. Reflective is going to be perfect if you do take this camping or if you just drop it on the ground. You're going to be able to take a flashlight and find it very quickly. I would also recommend glow-in-the-dark paracord for this project as well. In addition to that, we do have our silver carabiner, our knotter's tool with our fids on the inside, a lighter, and some scissors. So our tutorial today is pretty simple. We are going to make a cow hitch at the top here. We're going to bring the inner cord down, and then we're going to start our cobra weave from the top and bring it back down on itself. So for our first step, we're going to make that cow hitch. And I actually love this project because my wife and I love to go camping a lot, and one of the things that we found that we were doing was purchasing plastic silverware every time that we would go out, and I am a person who wants to stop using so much plastic, so saw this idea and figured it was going to be perfect. So once we have made the cow hitch on top, we actually want to bring our strands back through the loop. Now we're going to take those strands and we are going to run them right along the body of the fork. And in this case, you do want to keep a little bit more of a loop on your cow hitch here, because again, we're going to be putting some paracord through there so we can attach it to our carabiner. So we do want a little bit of space on the top. After we have our core strands going down the fork, if you caught our video last week, the metal Mad Max bracelet, we are going to be doing the exact same thing that we did last week. So we're going to start it off with a Solomon bar at the top. And we're going to bring it underneath our fork and through the loop we made on the left. So now you just have to decide where you would like your weave to end. And I think right there on the neck will be perfect. After you have your Solomon bar started at the top, now it's just simple cobra weaves all the way back down. Make a loop on the right side, bring our left working strand over top of that, behind everything, through the loop, tighten it down. So I know that we are using this style on utensils like forks and spoons, but it really can be used with anything. So if you want to attach a flashlight to something, or if you have a handle that you would like to make for a light or anything, you can use this method. And then as you'll see at the end, we're just going to hook it to a carabiner and you can just attach that to your backpack. You'll never lose a lighter or a light, or in our case, a fork ever again. We've also gone with a neon orange in reflective, and that is basically just because it will stand out in the woods. Of course, if you are an avid hunter or have been hunting before, you know that those colors are bright, bright orange because they contrast against the forest very well, and that's exactly what we were looking for here. So if you drop it in the grass or if you drop it in a bush, the bright orange as well as the reflective should make it very easy to find. So we're going to continue the weave all the way down, and we will come back as soon as we are ready to wrap it up. So now that we have come to the end of our weave, it is time to just cut our paracord, and we're going to singe down the ends. So there we have our finished weave on our fork, and as we had mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can take your fork and bend it at the top and then weave your paracord through the bend to anchor it as you are making your cobra weaves. This might actually be very beneficial as it will shorten the length of your utensils and make it a little bit easier for traveling. So to finish off our project, we are going to take some leftover 550 paracord that we have in reflective neon orange, and we are going to tie both of our utensils together. So we're going to put one of the paracord going through the fork, and the same one we're going to have through the spoon. So to tie this off, you can basically do any knot that you would like to, any stopper knot on the end. I am partial to the diamond knot and have been for a minute, so we are going to do that. And there we have our completed camping hack, making it just a little bit easier for you to bring some utensils and make sure those utensils do not get lost as you are camping or if you're going anywhere. Thank you so much for checking out the video, and if it did help you, a like and subscribe is always appreciated. Just delicious. And a big thank you to everybody who has already liked and subscribed. If you have a favorite do-it-yourself camping hack that you would like to see for a future video, just let us know down in the comments below. Have yourself a great rest of the day today, and we'll see you on the next video.
You're eating nothing.
I know.